In Mongolian, Gobi means waterless place, and therein lies the bear's greatest challenge. Sources of water may be 100 miles apart. They face a grueling trek across the desert. Theirs is a solitary life. But there is a place where they go to connect with each other. These are ancient poplar trees. There is nothing here for the bears to drink. But these trees are still important to them. As they rub, they leave behind a unique scent, a message to other bears to say they've been here. But with so few left, it may be months before somebody comes by. This could be the closest they ever come to meeting another bear. In the search for water, the bears follow well-trodden paths across this vast desert. And this is why. An oasis. A freshwater spring fed from deep underground. At last, a drink. And a refreshing dip. The oases are a lifeline for the bears, particularly for those that are extremely precious. The Gobi bear cub. The future of these bears rests on just a few individuals. But this young one is a symbol of hope for the Gobi bear.